Oh, you got purple hair, what do you call that?
Hey everybody, Rick Ravens again, more songs from home. And with that said, I'm going to give you another one that I wrote tonight. Once again, my backup band not here with me. As you can see, it's just me. So playing this off my iPhone from my forthcoming album. And with that said, credit going to Chad Ware on guitars, Richard Chalakian on drums, Jeremy Horton on bass. Oh, let's see, who have I forgotten? Chris Witten on the fiddle. Far from forgettable. Thank you, Chris. And then finally, Shay Getty on the backup vocals. So you all made such a wonderful, wonderful job. Anyway, this was all done at Oracle Studios, and final thanks to Jason Williams who produced this. So Jason, this is for you and everybody else that's ever poured out their heart. Here we go. First met you were amazing. You made me laugh, you had it all. We did so damn much hell raising. Good times soaked in alcohol. But it was in those sober moments I fell in love with who you are. You had your doubts that you were ready. Even as I was pouring out my heart. Yeah, my heart gets warm on my sleeve. It gets my feelings torn aside. But now I'm back for you, and I'm begging, please. I only want you in my life. You had some strength, you were a fighter. You own respect there in your bar. You made my evening so much brighter, as I spend my night singing Shooting Star. But now you're scarred by decisions failure. Not sure you can trust me with your heart. I promise you this one thing, baby. They'll never tear us apart. Yeah, my heart gets warm on my sleeve. It gets my feelings torn aside. But now I'm back for you, and I'm begging, please. I only want you in my life. I still think about you every day. And I still wish that you were mine. Even after all this time. Yeah, my heart gets warm on my sleeve. It gets my feelings torn aside. But now I'm back for you, and I'm praying, please. I really need you in my life. Yeah, my heart gets warm on my sleeve. It gets my feelings torn aside. But now I'm back for you, and I'm praying, please. I really need you in my life. Thanks, everyone.